Imagine quitting your 9 to 5 and letting artificial intelligence handle most of your workload while you make $10,000 a month or more. Sounds unbelievable? It's not. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 powerful AI tools that can actually replace a full-time job and show you exactly how real people are already using them to build income streams from home. Stay tuned until the end, because tool number 5 is the secret weapon that most full-time creators use to automate nearly their entire business. Welcome back to Smart Money Pros, where we explore the smartest ways to make money online, build passive income, and use AI to create financial freedom. If you're serious about replacing your job with automation and earning real money online, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Every week, I share practical AI income strategies that anyone can start using right now. 1. ChatGPT plus GPT-4, your personal writing team. Let's start with the backbone of modern automation, ChatGPT powered by GPT-4. This AI tool can literally replace an entire writing or marketing department. You can use ChatGPT to write blog posts, newsletters, ad copy, sales pages, and YouTube scripts like this one. You can create SEO optimized content for businesses or even offer writing and strategy services on Fiverr and Upwork. People are already charging $200 to $500 per project, and with just 5 clients a week, that's easily $8,000 a month. But here's where it gets even better. When you combine ChatGPT with tools like Notion AI or Jasper, you can build a workflow that scales. These tools can help manage your content calendar, format blog posts, and even generate client proposals automatically. In short, you can position yourself as a content automation specialist instead of a regular freelancer. And that's where the big money is. 2. OpusClip, the AI video repurposing machine. Next up is OpusClip, one of the most powerful AI tools for video creators. It takes long videos and automatically turns them into short, viral-style clips with captions, jump cuts, and trending hooks that are perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Here's the opportunity. Start a content repurposing agency. Find business owners, coaches, and podcasters who already create long videos but don't have time to edit short clips. OpusClip does 90% of the heavy lifting automatically, so you only spend a few minutes reviewing and polishing the final results. You can charge each client $500 to $1,000 per month for this service, and managing just 10 clients can easily generate $10,000 a month. Plus, short-form video content is in massive demand right now. Everyone wants to go viral, and you can help them do it with AI. 3. Midjourney plus Leonardo.AI, the AI design duo. Now, let's talk about creativity, because even design work is being transformed by AI. Tools like Midjourney and Leonardo.AI can generate professional quality artwork, thumbnails, product mockups, and branding designs in seconds. Here's how people are using these tools to earn full-time income. Designing YouTube thumbnails that pop, creating logos and brand kits for small businesses, generating ad graphics for social media campaigns, even selling AI-generated artwork or merch designs on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. The key to success with design AI tools is mastering the prompt. Good prompts lead to professional results, and clients will happily pay premium rates when your output looks like it was made by a full design team. Designers are already making $50 to $300 per project using Midjourney, and top sellers on Fiverr are earning several thousand per month doing exactly this. If you combine this with ChatGPT to write your gig descriptions and Canva or Photoshop for light touch-ups, you can run a full creative agency powered almost entirely by AI. 4. ElevenLabs. Turn words into money. Tool number 4 is ElevenLabs, an AI voice generator that can turn text into incredibly realistic speech. If you've ever heard an AI narrator that sounds like a real person, chances are it came from ElevenLabs. This tool can completely replace the need for a human voice actor or narrator. You can use it to create faceless YouTube videos, narrate audiobooks, voice marketing content, or even create custom voices for clients. Here's where it gets interesting. Combine ElevenLabs with ChatGPT for writing scripts and pair it with HeyGen or Pictory for visuals. Now you have a fully automated content production system that works 24/7. People are already building faceless YouTube channels that earn thousands in ad revenue each month using this exact formula. Voiceover artists are also using ElevenLabs to create different styles and accents, allowing them to serve multiple clients at once, all without recording a single word themselves. It's fast, scalable, and one of the easiest ways to start building a passive income business with AI. 5. Make, formerly Integromat, the ultimate automation engine. And finally, tool number 5, Make.com, also known as Integromat. This is the hidden gem that connects all your tools together and automates your workflows with zero coding required. Think of it like your personal digital assistant. You can create systems that automatically send emails, collect leads, organize data, post content, and even run parts of your business while you sleep. For example, a real estate agent could use Make to send property updates automatically. A freelancer could use it to onboard new clients without lifting a finger. Or a YouTuber could use it to automatically post clips and update their content calendar. Here's the best part. You can sell these automation systems to other businesses. Clients will happily pay $500 to $2,000 per setup because automation saves them time and money. Just 5 clients a month, and you've officially replaced a full-time salary. This is one of the most underrated AI opportunities right now, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to earn serious income without showing their face or learning to code. Bonus: combine AI tools for maximum profit. Here's a pro tip. Don't think of these tools separately. Combine them into systems. For example, ChatGPT writes your content, ElevenLabs voices it, OpusClip edits it, Midjourney designs the thumbnails, and Make distributes everything automatically. That's a complete AI-powered media agency that you can build and run by yourself from your laptop. You can manage multiple clients, automate most of the process, and spend your time scaling instead of doing repetitive work. The people who win in this new AI economy aren't the ones who use one tool. They're the ones who combine them. So, which AI tool would you start with today? Drop it in the comments. I reply to every single one. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. And if you want my free step-by-step guide on building your first AI income stream, check the link in the description. I'm Evan from SmartMoneyPros, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll show you exactly how to automate your first $1,000 online using AI.